Queenie. Queen.
You
Queen.
see that? Hey,
What, man?
nothing.
You alright?
Me nice,
Me,
baby, me nice.
me know why you make them a joy out on the internet, you know. Alright?
And that you call me for tell me. And that you call me
Yeah.
for tell me.
You know, so
Any
always have
blood clot body dry me out, me I dry them out. Me can't stop, me can't make people dry me out. Let me tell you something, darling. I don't mean to raise my voice on you, baby. I understand what you say, but me don't want nobody call me and tell them something that foolishness from. The internet is for our people. And if someone disrespect me, I'm not gonna sit around for no one to take me for a pass. So if even for drop down on blood clot dead for defend myself, me I drop down on dead. Me not appreciate them the argument. You tell me something to be a fool. You understand me?
no,
Don't tell me that. Queenie, take
no,
care of
me,
your health. Don't tell me no make nobody draw me out, cause no blood clot body now disrespect me and me have life and health and strength and I stand up for myself. You hear that, madam?
yeah.
The
That,
only way them not gonna draw me out unless them not me not depend this. I'm not coming off. So how them not gonna draw me up? Next week or next week somebody gonna trouble me. I'm gonna tie out my battle draw, tie one to the right, put one piece of string per one and my battle draw this or one. This so only can't come tell me them something because I sit down and watch the same people them will disrespect me and laugh. So they don't come
Queenie,
tell me that. Nobody
remember,
call me and tell me that me done.
remember say the day you
I
went
who
to,
this?
me and you come from the same place, a seafood.
I'm a family this. I shame.
Oh, so tell me.
Okay, me still not care. Cause me not even sister of you. Me
Yeah,
not
but me
even
a call,
sister of you family.
but you know, how you give me,
So why you not
it, me,
call me upon the WhatsApp? You make me all attack you, eh?
me not see up on the WhatsApp, man. I
Where
just
your
in Jamaica,
Instagram name? Where them me wait. Me screenshot your Instagram. Why? All right, my family, may I take it easy. But me, you know, me not make nobody push me over. Me not make nobody, anybody trouble me. I'm for wall and disgrace my blood clot self and stand up for myself.
no,
I'm gonna do it.
Queenie,
And
Queenie,
that's what the queen cause. Yeah.
Queenie, remember say all the things set it up, say from wedding to St. Thomas reception everywhere. So you don't know so rate and everything, you understand? But me no want you
Oh
have your
God.
bad. It's something that pain me heart. You understand me not like it. All when you
All right,
have
me
money
your
thing.
reason now, family. All right, yeah, I'm a real family. Listen to me. You're from St.
Yeah.
Thomas, so you're concerned about me, yeah? So when you see me behave like that and cry, I go pain your heart likewise. It be pain my mom heart. But
Yeah.
what you rather? For me sit down and depressed and can't function more than me scream and shout and let out my steam and get out with life. Because if me and your family and me see her behave like that, me I go take in consideration. But
We
she wake up early, she go on to school room, she drive. I'm getting on with life, me just not take no liberty. And you can't stop the internet from taking liberty with you, me done. Because one set today is a new set that come tomorrow. So I'm ready for the whole blood clot lot of them. Anybody
we
diss me, I mean, I like it. Me, I take it up, me done.
you see them on the live, them a go like them with you, then just want screen record and go run go TikTok and say Queenie this and Queenie that. You're
Me
a
no mind.
hypocrite them.
Me them do any, cause I know hypocrite is a game. It don't make no sense you come on this thing when you know you have millions of people from all over the world and expect you gotta get just one status. That's the game why they make internet, you have to buy data, get good phone at the game. So them people don't know me from nowhere cause. That's why
Yeah.
you see me with them yes, with them good and just switch on them card. The one of them have fake page. I'm the only one pan God earth now have no fake page. Cause I can't speak for myself. The one of them have fake page and them love me, pan them real page, then them use the fake page and discriminate me. So that's why
You feel
nobody
black.
can program me.
You feel black. When them come up, you feel black them.
Now that
You
black
feel
things are going in the morning, man. But me need to link up on the WhatsApp properly. And we have a little
yeah.
family reason. Because,
That
yeah?
number we
Well, some,
look for
eh?
the number we give me I look for on WhatsApp, but me not get you.
Maybe something not right. Maybe one of the number
What?
not right. But I just screenshot your name. So what you do, send me a DM message now. When I come off I live, I have the screenshot, so me look for your name,
Wait,
yeah?
I run me off my life, okay? You want to go
Fully
back, go
back,
cuss.
friend.
You want to go back, go cuss.
No.
Eh?
Listen, want to go back, go course?
Yeah.
No, I'm not a customer. Remember, I'm freestyling a cause. And I'm
Queenie,
not
where's
talking go
the...
back, go cause anything me adjust, me adjust. Yeah?
Where do we? Where do we?
Do the work. Me just dropping my work. Me soon go back. When me done talk to him, I go back go stalk him.
Oh, same, come home.
Him never gone nowhere. Him never gone nowhere. When I put out the video, me and my husband sit down right there. So, but them not. Them just like for make problem. My husband not going nowhere.
So the woman when me that kiss, you know her?
Yeah.
So,
Me know her for
you know,
times. I see him here and me and her live in now.
so you're not a friend?
But
Queenie, come on Jamaica and make
associate. But you know, listen. It's, you know, some people just sit down and just talk things about you. That man just tell her things. She's just one of them girls where she says she want white man for the world. Hmm?
Come on Jamaica, get her panty. Tell do if you can on her panty, make we go fix our business.
No, sir, me no want she fix. Me not go survive. Me not go feel powerful in myself. Me like things natural. Me like, yeah, no, me not, remember them say the wickedest set of Obeah center, so I'm a little and a growing of them center. It no matter about where you're from, it's I fuck with that. Me and you know I fuck with that.
Eh?
Eh? No, me say,
No,
me and you know say I fuck with that. You have people right now in England who walk over more than somebody where they are center mass. It doesn't matter where you come from, it's your art. You know me for me get that the girl drive, they go fix you know. I me go say Queen Wave and then me go remember say me fix her. Me not go do my Queen Wave good. Me not have no blood clot. I'm for them.
Say we can fix
her. You want it? You
want me?
No, cause don't fix. No.
You know,
I don't wanna.
Yeah.
Eh?
But anybody want a good Obeah man, processing fee £300. Tell them
so how you done start with me and make me? So cause if you do overwork, what the bum? What you do? Talk to me now.
Tell them. £300 good Obeah man. If them
are you to tell them cause you never tell me this, so you have to tell them what I go on and then present yourself to them now.
Alright, let me present myself now. Anybody want a good Obeah man, I come from St. Thomas. Anybody want a good Obeah man, DM me.
Them not believe you, come in and believe you.
As real something. Queenie, remember on a Portman, you know, the woman by the hilltop, you know. The rapper.
I don't know nothing about that, so remind me. You can't say member, you have to tell me. I don't know.
Tell you, say Queenie, get one of the woman panty or one of her blouse and come to Jamaica, come make we fix our business.
When I talk about the woman, fuck that. Me a hot girl, me no need for do nothing for survive. If me for do she something, that mean me a queen. So in my heart, me gonna say, oh, is a baggy, me get one. No. Me have to survive naturally. Me not fix no blood clot body. But people that panic so want fix people, so them you have to tell about your work what you do. Yeah. You tell them.
All right. £300 processing fee. So when you send it £300,
that sound cheap. I sound like robbery, but talk.
No,
it sound cheap.
Eh?
That sound like robbery. Go on.
But Obeah not cheap.
So what am I get £300 for you do? What you do? You read people, you fix people drawers. What you do?
Alright, let me tell you what I do. I set the date for them, get the Obeah man. So I call the Obeah man, schedule the appointment, and when them come on the date, them pay the rest of money.
Oh, you have the... So you're the third party?
Yes. Just like you have a Spectrum insurance broker where you know, so you pay the insurance money and then where they are using
that's what we got to.
So me like,
you want to look at IT boss. Because I mean, get your little hustling. So basically, he's like What them call it? He's like a rep. He's like a rep
Rep.
then.
Yeah, I'm like a rep or an agent. I'm an agent. But me want the
Hey,
woman
people
to
buy
know
Obeah. It's like how some people buy bleaching cream. I
cream,
saw
yeah.
some people buy Obeah now. So really, for
No.
fact, I'm not the one to dictate to who to do whatever. So if you know what Obeah, my cousin have the Obeah.
Queenie, but I want to send her the live if you know, say you have a cousin in Jamaica where you can know about Obeah and anytime she take the picture,
Cause
them.
don't talk about the girl. Make the girl famous, and I don't need to. I don't want to elaborate about. Me no want she sit
Yeah,
down. Me not care about her. She try to tease my husband and try to mash up my life. Me no want to talk about her because if you know what she do, it's
yeah.
enough to forget
But
about her. That's why I put her on my
no,
page too. It's me put
Queenie,
it
you
on
know,
make the words there.
Queenie, you know about the Obeah to squeeze the green lime. So don't go like you don't know a little bit about it. You know green line a
Listen,
powerful
don't
thing
come
for
here.
cut.
Hey, not come here, come to feel my blood clot character. Come tell me know nothing about no blood clot
No,
Obeah. Don't make a root to you in the morning. Listen to me.
no,
Lime, me naturally take my green lime for cut disaster. Me not tell nobody for pay me no blood clot 3 bills in the Obeah for tie no girl draws. Me no blood clot desperate. Me sweet and nice and loving. Me no need blood clot Obeah. God am a Obeah. God am a strength and God am a guide. Me no need no blood clot Obeah. So whosoever you is force your family I send your name back. No blood clot come tell me about Queenie I go like you know no look
no,
Obeah. Don't try to
no,
disturb my
no, no,
peace, madam.
don't need it.
Don't bring your Obeah argument to me. Me no want
You know
hear.
me,
Cause
don't
this I
mean it
get
that way.
too fucking far. It is rather rude. Don't come
No,
draw me in your thing, my dad. A
no,
girl a disrespect blood clot me and me can't catch her. So me tell me green lime for cut off the crosses
cut
off of
off
me. Don't introduce me. Come
grass.
on from a bomber clot something. I love blood clot me and the go. I leave blood clot me alone. Come on from me something I don't even know about your family. No blood clot me. Wash out blood clot over your family. Low blood clot me. My man I grow center but I never over no blood clot body car right now me have some people that want blood clot over but I can't. That's on me. Me not singing on a Obeah man. For no Obeah man do nobody know. No many girls still with our drawers. It's not that fucking deep. Do we get maybe 5.5 blood clot fuck from March till now? When me go over girl for a girl, me no business with the blood clot girl. I put the girl on my platform. I make the world see her. Me make her famous. Me no need for over. Low blood clot about me and your cousin. I must ask my mother who you. So I mean I make people sympathize me. The first thing him come and tell me about, now make nobody dry out. You want me to slung and then make people take liberty where they say, me have an idiot cousin, you know. Because they are England and them, I lie your blood clot, tell and then I come bring boy, yeah, but no, look where, bomba clot. How much family me have? And the one family where you claims come and tell me about, Obeah, me a go like, me no know nothing about blood clot, Obeah, me done come in and work blood clot, Obeah, you hear that? Yeah, my cut and clear crosses and call to the Almighty any blood clot thing. Me a darling, me cost 100 blood clot. Me call pan, God, in me call pan. Don't come irritate me now the man about fucking Queen. Me a go like, me no know about what I think to don't. I heard about it, I don't involve with it. Me not do any blood clot quitty. That's why I'm awful and me forgot take a girl draws. I liberty that I take with the people them girl pitney as well. Me not be no blood clot girl, nowhere. Fucking liberty in the first place. Listen, me, I tell you, leave the girl alone. Leave the. I saw someone who wicked. I see him thing would I take my drawers and I forget my drawers. I said, maybe all my blood clot drawers want to take care of girl, you and your friend. The same Obeah man. Maybe I that to do and try mash up me and blood clot. Do you think me mixing of that? You think me I want somebody take my blood clot drawers? Allow me. Allow me dirty nasty blood clot. Me pure. You hear that? Me don't even know you. Well, cause me that child link you, blah, blah, blah. I trace where I come from, center. I don't want to know you either. Matter of fact. I don't fucking want to know you either. Low blood clot. You think you can spring from now? Come tell me what me for do? Who you? Why you think people saying you start watch me this morning? And cause I make them dry out. Why you want them sit down and then them take your cut for a walk over? Enough blood clot girlfriend of me enough boy. I mean like that. I have to approach this blood clot woman with caution. You hear that? Me no walk blood clot over. Me no in no over argument. Just think no blood clot. Don't make a disrespect here, fam. You take a joke to blood clot far now. I know where you cut me from. You say your family. I was playing my daughter's song. You didn't say R.I.P. to her. The first thing you want to come to control me. If you carry my name to the Obeah man, for the Obeah man, make me come off the internet. Don't make them draw you out. How much time on that? A phone name them I call? When you sit down with a room with 20 somebody, and you sit down as them say Queenie, it draw your attention. Subconsciously, naturally. And if your name them I call, I never come and say one nice song my cuz. Ray, blah, blah. Yeah, come tell me about, now make them draw you out, you know. Like, go ahead! Boy, you the day I'm a wedding. Which one you the day I'm a wedding? I don't remember you either. Fucking lie. Me lose a child, me lose someone that make me smile all the time. Thinking of the time, surely stand for right by my side. Motivate me to go to mine. You know, they have to see me in my plan. Saying the way they made me to smile. As much as I see the girl and my husband and lap up and I know do it fuck her, I don't care about the girl. Let me tell you the difference with me. Girl is not threat to me. You see the message I'm having on my phone where she said she gonna send the video to her to do a wife. Where she send that message from in June. Remember from March she get the fucking up. So I don't think I yesterday fuck. So me have the message in my phone where she said she gonna send me and I think it's liberty taking. I realize she doing that to take away my husband. So you see, because me that old fool, I just say, all right, girl, I'm going to show you how bad the queen is. You threaten me and I try blackmail, blood clot me, I'm going to blackmail you publicly. So me blackmail her publicly, put her up on my platform, make she get famous. She know all kind of meme and her. When me have time for go over a girl baggy, you're fucking rude in the first place. But to the girl, me not care about the girl. But really, now come tell me Obeah no body pitney. Me not Obeah no blood clot body pitney. I prefer she fuck. Mix me and class blood clot me before me Obeah. Make she do me the evil thing them. Me not live under evil. So first to begin. First, calm down, Queenie. First to begin with, I take it for liberty for yourself. But me just don't pay no mind because the girl I'm an enemy in it. So me not care about her. And you say you're my cousin, why me not defend it? Yes, if it was one of my friend or some of them I talk to me that defend it. But really from the first time I hear herself forget one of her draws, me I say no. Not do me them things there. Me not think about girl pinning no matter how girl tear me down. I would never bring no evil to her, no harm. That's just me. I've got a heart of gold. Yes, if I'm going to let something out of me, me see a man will feed. If me see that girl know I should get a cup of this to save her life, I will. That's me. Don't come tell me about no Obeah and body blood clot pitney. Why you think that people can't draw me out as they think? Because I am who I am. Free, pure, as it is. Now come to me with that, madam. You violate me. Violate blood clot me. You know I'm gonna deal with iniquity. So if you say you're my blood clot family, and you're gonna come on my fucking platform. In the early morning, you see me, may I sing for my daughter. I come tell me about use girl draws. You're rude. You're fucking rude. May I tell you, promote yourself then. You still tell me. And don't do me that, madam. Don't do me that. That's why I can't sit down here so free, pure, and relax. It's when in an iniquity, yeah, I wonder what will happen to you if the result. Me not care about no me and God part. Not do me that. It not that deep. It not that blood clot deep. Draws. No. Me not sad on this word, so me not like that. That's weird and scary. Me not like blood clot that. I'm a queen. I'm a rain. rude, and part complacent. It's just fucking rather fucking disrespectful and disgusting. Yeah, and it's disturbing. You're fucking rude. Who you, man? You can't say I'm a family, you know. I never acknowledge my daughter. You understand me? Things like those. Remember, you know, I'm quick, you know. So I don't think me want old fool. I'm very quick. I mean, say crazy never lazy. I pick up on things very, because I am a nice person. I just stay there go and say, kill some of family. I try to remember him face. I don't know who. I kind of, me not even know him because him look like my cousin, my uncle son. But I know my uncle's son that. So maybe I'm my next uncle way in the bush where they done gone pitney. I don't know. But you know do them things I'm done. This a filmy platform. Now come play like you want take me. Come control me on that side, sister, cause me interested in you, man. Now make them draw you out. The life will end. Blessed be thy name. Bye later. Me lose a bit.